All right, we are into the episode 3. Wow, I didn't know it was so romantic. Alright, so today we have these Japanese beauties, the 95 Mazda RX-7. Both of these, come in very cool colors. This one is white, this one is blue. So let's see. By the end of the video, I'll let you know which one is the better looking car of these, and also one small hiccup that I have with this particular model. Alright, so let's get started. Let's open up this one. This you have seen in the earlier cases, and this you have seen in the P case, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, P case, N or P case. So we'll open this up. Now, I enjoy opening the cars like this. I don't like the knife and all. Wow. Hey, I'll tell you one thing, quick thing. I didn't know I would see, I'll tell you one, to be honest, when I got this car, I thought this is a pretty rubbish car. The rubbish color and the livery sucked a lot. Yeah, this is the moment where I say change of heart. So change of heart. I join my hands. I accept the change of heart. This looks very cool. Literally, this looks cool. I thought this was quite meh. So it comes with the Project Mu badging. It says PMU, HWGRFX, AN and Hotwheels logo right here. We have a nice detailing going on here. We have the standard Hot Wheels favorite wheels. We also have minimal front detailing. I don't know why. Yeah, because, and this is some paint issue here. Yeah, major paint issue. And you also see that, as I mentioned in my previous videos, white colors have the blue tints. On the other side we have the same livery, looking very cool, right? I thought it would be very lame actually. You have the detailings here, and rear detailing is done nicely. It says RX-7. It has the Mazda logo done so well, guys. Bro, look at this, man. I don't know if you can, even I can't look at it, sorry. So yeah, now you can see RX-7. It says Mazda right there. We have the integrated spoiler. Interiors are black and the glass are smoked, right? Okay, let's get back to the second one that we have here. I bought this because I like this color, and wow, I could never have been so right about it. Awesome, man. This is pure JDM looking car. Oh my god. Whew. So the livery has not changed even a bit, but my god, the color on this one and the wheels on this one, amazing, just amazing. Whew. Also, I'm not showing you the bottom of this car. So it says 95 Mazda RX-7. Pretty nice detailed chassis. We don't see detailed chassis nowadays in Hot Wheels. Cost cutting, maybe, could be. But yeah, on this one also it has the same chassis. So this one comes with such great wheels here. I love the wheels. I love the paint. Oh, so good. This is a metallic blue finish paint and it feels so nice to touch. Let me smell this car. Wow, it smells like cookies, choco chip cookies. Yeah, choco chip cookies, something like that, or something like new book. Okay, and you have the same details, and this one has better details in my opinion. You can check it right here. See here. Look for yourself. This has the tail lamps are not bright, but they are done neatly, and this one is not much neat here. Yeah, whatever it is, we're not getting into that, but the livery complements the color so much here. Also the wheels. Let's do the roll test of these beautiful cars. Okay, the blue one rolls nice, the white one has wheel wobbling, and the white one makes a lot of sound. Just a sec. So this has the 5-spoke wheels, and this one has the white 10-spoke wheels. So now let's talk about Mazda RX-7. Okay, so this was produced in the year 2017. That was the debut year, and it had debuted in the Then and Now series. The designer of this car is Jun Imai, if I'm pronouncing it right. Okay, so this was the a rotary engined sports car manufactured by Mazda from 1978 to 2002. This casting replicates the third generation internally designated, okay, on the FD3S. All right, and what else do we know about this car? So Mazda RX-7's 1.3 liter 13B REW engine featured the first ever mass produced sequential twin turbo system exported from Japan, developed with the help of Hitachi. The production ended in 2002 with 68,589 cars produced, okay, which makes this the least common of the three generations of the RX-7. Anyways, I have two of these, so no issues with that. I like the recoloring. Somebody had told me when I was getting this white one, somebody said like some YouTube video, maybe my friend, I don't remember, but someone said like maybe this car will get a recolor. So I thought like, who knows which one turns out to be good. So I like the blue one much better. White one was a surprise from me because I didn't see, if you look at the card art, I didn't think like this car would turn out to be such a cool looking car. Alright, so this was the end of the episode 3. If you haven't checked out the first 2 episodes, please check them out. Lit episodes. I loved that. The energy of my excitement was screaming on top of my voice was too good in both these videos, so check that out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Next one will be a Muscle Mania car. Let me know which one is that. Also let me know which is your favorite, this one or this one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy collecting, happy life, and do take very good care of yourself. In the wrong order I have said it, and I'll conclude the video now.